Love you, Sagittarius. Hope you're having a lovely day. Sagittarius, this is your daily relationship message for you, Sagittarius. And after the relationship message, I'll be doing a pick a card reading for you all guys. Watch out for the pick a card reading. And this is your relationship card for you, Sagittarius.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For today's reading, we have two piles, guys. It's going to be like a pick a card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first after a few seconds of silence. So let's meditate for a few seconds and then open our eyes and choose the pile, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this card, set of cards. This is the first card and this is the second card. So let's see, guys, what is coming after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. So let's see what are they. We have Nine of Cups, Ace of Wands and the Empress. A very positive set of cards here, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So situation in this connection, you are really happy, you have that emotional contentment, satisfaction in this love with this person. You feel really inspired, confident, and maybe for some of you this relationship itself is something like a roller coaster ride. You are having so much fun, that intimacy, understanding and that compatibility, that deep level of communication is there in this connection, guys. And maybe for some of you, if you are single and if you are open to a new connection, there is someone coming towards you very soon, guys, and this person is simply going to sweep you off your feet. You are going to feel so much loved and so happy with them. And if you are already in a connection, I see that you are feeling so happy, pleased to be with this person, and maybe you are planning to start a family with them, have a child or move in together. So some concrete step or a deep foundation you are working towards in this connection, guys, and you are feeling really overwhelmed to be with them. You have that gratitude and thankfulness towards the universe or towards your circumstance. So you are really happy, feeling grateful to be in this love, to be with this person, to feel loved and cared for. So there is mutual love, understanding and respect in this relationship, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for those who have chosen these cards. So let's see what are the other set of cards. The second set, the second pile. So we will see what are these cards now. We have Three of Earth, Messenger of Earth and Five of Fire. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, in this love, you both are different human beings. You have different likes and different dislikes, and maybe today you are understanding that maybe on certain things you may have difference of opinions, but the base of this connection is love. So you have that love for each other, so you are working towards that understanding. So you may feel that differences between yourself, difference of opinions or the way you perceive certain circumstances. but you are moving towards that open communication to bring that understanding between you both, and you are having that strong determination in your heart to make this connection work, guys, and you are appreciating what this other person has to tell you, or this person is appreciating what you have to tell them. So you are working with that confidence in your heart, that perseverance to make things work, dedication. You have that dedication, or this person has dedication towards this connection and determination. Maybe you are facing some troubles because of some difference of opinions, or your vision is different or their vision is different, so you both are on different paths, but your paths were crossed somehow, and you have come to like each other. But today you are understanding that each and every one of us have different unique life path, and we need to understand that, and you are honoring the differences you both have, but still you want to make this relationship work. So you are trying hard, having that dedication, devotion towards this connection, and you are a very dedicated person, and even this person you love, they are having that dedication, and you are working as a team to be in this connection, to bring that understanding between you both, guys. So that is what I see with this card. So though you are facing troubles, you are trying hard to make this connection work. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your love readings, for those who have chosen the second set of cards. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.
Round and round. Relationship message. Are you wondering, how did I get here again? Does something feel familiar right now? In your dynamics with others, maybe a little too familiar. Don't be surprised that you have found yourself repeating an old story with the same sort of person who may not look similar, but who attracted you because of your easy acquaintance with his or her qualities. Your relationship is a mix of what is good and what is potentially challenging. You have been drawn to this person through the perfection of Spirit's plan for your evolution. You may have circled back to an accustomed spot, yes, familiar place, but that's fine, as you get to do things again, only differently this time. For you learned something of great value since the last time round. How will you choose to behave now that you are aware? Remain curious and stay out of the blame game.